Would you rather be taught by someone who welded 20 years ago, or would you rather be taught by someone who just got off a job? And that's one of the coolest things about the Kentucky Welding Institute. Our instructors are constantly going to jobs and coming back from jobs, so that whenever you're learning how to weld, you're learning from people who just got off a job in Iowa, who just got off a job in Louisiana. And that makes a big difference because they're bringing you industry standards that are today to your booth and to Kentucky Welding Institute. So just like our instructors, I'm on a little 4-week job right now, and I'll be doing day-to-day updates on what the job's like, my thoughts, how everything's going, just to give you a perspective of what it would be like to be a combo pipe welder. And if it's something that you're interested in, just hit us up, check out our website, check out our YouTube and how-to videos, and you'll find out more about what it's like to be a combo welder and also what it's like to visit and weld at the Kentucky Welding Institute. So check us out, stay tuned. I'll be doing updates after work from the job. And if you're thinking about getting into welding, I would highly advise you to follow my series while I'm on this 4-week job so you can see what it's like to be a traveling combo pipe welder in today's world.